Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're showcasing some cool and helpful gadgets that can make your daily life easier and more efficient. From smart home devices to innovative problem-solving tools, these gadgets are designed to enhance convenience and productivity. We'll be featuring time-saving tech, multifunctional accessories, and must-have innovations that you'll love. Ready to upgrade your gear with these awesome finds? Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below.
Number 5 XOPX3 Hunting Climbing Steps. Upgrade your hunting setup with the XOPX3 Hunting Climbing Steps. The V-bracket design of the XOPX3 climbing steps ensures a solid bite on the tree, providing hunters with confidence and stability while ascending or descending. Versatile configuration. These climbing sticks can be compactly stacked or locked together side by side using the XOP slide lock system. This versatility allows for easy transportation and customization of your climbing setup. Built to last, with a durable, abrasion-resistant powder coat finish, the XOPX3 climbing steps are engineered to withstand the rigors of hunting environments. Whether you're traversing through dense forests or rocky terrain, these climbing sticks are up to the challenge. Enhanced accessibility. Integrated aider attachment points make it easier for hunters to attach aiders, providing additional assistance during climbs. This thoughtful feature enhances accessibility and convenience in the field. Ample standing room. Featuring a generous 10-inch step width, the XOPX3 climbing steps offer plenty of standing room for hunters, ensuring comfort and stability during extended periods of use. Lightweight construction. Crafted from ultralight 6061 aluminum, these climbing steps strike the perfect balance between durability and portability. Hunters can confidently carry them to their hunting spots without being weighed down by heavy gear. The XOPX3 hunting climbing steps are a must-have for any serious hunter looking to elevate their hunting experience. Number 4 Clavetracy LVX1 Keyboard. Discover a new era of keyboard control with the Clavetracy LVX1 keyboard. In this review, we'll delve into its innovative features, customizable options, and why it's a game-changer for PC users seeking seamless interaction and performance. Touch sliders. With touch sliders, navigation becomes fast and intuitive. These precise sliders, integrated directly into the keyboard, offer instant control without the need to move your hands. Scroll, swipe, and make gestures directly on the keys, enhancing your interaction with applications and software. Wireless typing experience. The CLVX1 features wireless connectivity and scissor switch mechanical keys, offering a typing experience akin to laptop keyboards. Enjoy the tactile feedback and low-profile design, ensuring comfortable and efficient typing sessions. Customizable touchpad functionality. Experience seamless transitions between typing and gesture control. The touchpad is automatically blocked during typing and activates for gestures, providing versatility and ease of use. Customize sensitivity and actions in the accompanying app to suit your preferences. Number 3 Viparade VE1 Pocket Organizer. Keep your essentials organized and within reach with the Viparade VE1 Pocket Organizer. Durable construction. Crafted from strong 500D polyester, the Viparade VE1 Pocket Organizer is built to withstand daily wear and tear. Its wear-resistant PVC coating ensures longevity while protecting your gear. Reinforced sewing and binding tape enhance durability, making it a reliable companion for your adventures. Efficient tool storage. Featuring an oblique pocket design, this organizer can securely hold at least 3 tools such as a mini flashlight, pocket knife, and tactical pen. The large top pocket accommodates a 3.5*5.5 notebook or cell phone. The mall plug-in design saves space by holding tools with pocket clips, while a zippered back pocket stores coins, cards, or small documents. With separate pockets, your tools stay organized and scratch-free. Versatile functionality. The Viparade VE1 Pocket Organizer adapts to your needs seamlessly. Use the included 550 paracord strap to carry it as a shoulder tool bag or simply slip it into your pocket as a compact organizer. It doubles as a coins, cards purse or phone, notebook holster, catering to a variety of daily carry requirements. Ideal for professionals like doctors, nurses, repairers, gardeners, teachers, students, and EDC enthusiasts. Thoughtful gift choice. Surprise your friends or loved ones with the gift of organization. Number 2 Fitterge K3 Light. Illuminate your path with the Fitterge K3 Light rechargeable LED keychain light. Rechargeable convenience. Say goodbye to disposable batteries. The Fitterge K3 Light comes with a micro USB rechargeable feature, ensuring you always have power at your fingertips. Simply plug it in and recharge for continuous illumination. Powerful illumination. Don't let its small size fool you. With a maximum output of 550 lumens, this keychain light packs a punch. Whether you're navigating dark alleyways or searching for lost items, the Fitterge K3 Light provides reliable brightness when you need it most. Versatile lighting options. Equipped with UV and red auxiliary LEDs, the Fitterge K3 Light offers more than just white light. Use the UV light for detecting stains or the red light for preserving night vision. Its versatility makes it a handy tool for various situations. Sleek and durable design, crafted from aluminum, the Fitterge K3 Light combines sleek aesthetics with durability. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it ideal for everyday carry, ensuring you're always prepared, no matter where life takes you. Stylish color options. Number 1 Rhino Cart All-Terrain Mover. When it comes to moving heavy appliances, furniture, or building materials, having the right equipment can make all the difference. Enter the Rhino Cart All-Terrain Mover, a game changer in the world of material handling. Conquer uneven surfaces. The Rhino Cart is specifically engineered to tackle challenging terrains with ease. Whether it's thresholds, uneven surfaces, or hard-packed dirt and gravel, this mover is up to the task. Heavy-duty performance, with the capability to carry a whopping 2,000 pounds on rough and uneven surfaces, the Rhino Cart is a powerhouse. Its 8 heavy-duty urethane wheels ensure smooth navigation even on the most rugged terrain. Built tough, crafted from commercial-grade poly resin and specialized steel used in industrial applications, the Rhino Cart is built to withstand the toughest environments. It's a reliable partner for your heaviest loads. Versatility at its best. Need to move large objects or pallets? No problem.